Hear those cicadas?
Yeah.
You talk about survival, man. Those are some freaky bugs.
They come out of the ground every 7 years. And they live underground the rest of the time. And the only time they come out of ground is to crawl out of their skins and grow some wings so they can fuck. And then they die. But before they die, they manage to lay some more eggs so that these bugs
We've had a better life, haven't we? We make them look sick.
Oh, boy, I'll say.